Hey, what's up guys, and today back to my channel and welcome everyone and thanks for all the subscribers. And today we'll show how to install Windows 10 out of any USB drive Windows installed or boot drives or DVD. You have to just first insert the drive, and after that you have to check that if your BIOS detects the drive as the primary boot drive. So we have set all the things. You can set it by your BIOS settings of your motherboard, and our motherboard is a eSonic motherboard and it takes the input as delete button. You can check all the F1, F2 and F10, F9, anything can be, and from that setting you have to check the startup option, the boot device order, and you have to set it manually, or otherwise maximum motherboards accept the boot drives as primary, USB as the primary, and if not you have to change that. So we have changed all the things, and now we are here to install, and this is the first screen, and after that you have to check all the regions. Click next. Here you have to accept all the things, license terms and custom. And now the main part is that we want to install it in this drive. We are here actually changing the hard drive, and it is the previous installed drive, and the USB drive supports only GPT format. And I'm going to install in this folder, and I'm clicking next. Yes. Install something looks like this, and after that you have to do nothing, and it will take some restarts, and after restarting you can do the rest of the things, and there will be the settings and everything else. So I don't want to lengthen the video to make it short, so I'll cut down the process, and after that I'll say how the settings should be done. The Windows is being installed, and I want to say that if you have learned something from this video, it could solve your problem. So please hit the subscribe button and like this video, share this video. It will help your friends a lot, and please subscribe my channel, and it helps me a lot. So I request you from my heart, please subscribe my channel. The region setting, and it's the keyboard layout basics. I don't want to add any other keyboards. I want to skip for now. I don't need Wi-Fi, so I'm saying click next. I don't want a password. You can add a password. Okay. Yeah, yes. Location. I don't want to share my location. Speech recognition, tailored experience. You can do whatever. Leave and so yes. This is the final thing. That was the last tape. So now the Windows is installed, and you can check everything and install all the drivers came with your motherboard or from the internet. connect your Wi-Fi and install all the programs you need to run the things you want to play, games or something else you want to use the computer for the purpose. And after that, it's okay to use with your Windows 8. You can do all the basic things after installing this, and at this state you don't have to worry for everything. So let's end this video, and thanks for watching, and please share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.